Hey guys, so this is the guitar tutorial for the song Promises Never Fail by Bethel Music. It's a really good song off the latest album, and yeah, pretty simple guitar parts, but I think in this song simplicity is kind of the key. So what we're playing is quite simple, but the effects you use and the way you make it sound is really important. So yeah, so the song starts with the little piano lead line, which we don't have to worry about too much. Then there's the first half of the verse we don't play in. Then we come in. So this is kind of the, I guess, second verse or second half of verse one. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's just that repeated. So what I'm doing is I'm using my pinky and my first finger and just hammering on. So I'll do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. For me, walk your separator. Your love you want, your love you want. And then we go to the chorus. So that's the chorus. So you can do it that way. Maybe put a bit of delay, a bit of overdrive on it as you're doing it, make it sound really full. You can play it as octaves if you want and kind of strum them together. So might sound a bit bigger that way, or you can use an octave pedal if you've got one. But that's basically the chorus. So we'll do that, we do the first chorus, then it breaks, then we do verse 3, and then back into the chorus. We do the chorus again, and so the second time we do it, it's the same thing, but we change it a little bit because it repeats. So it'll be, I know you plans for me are good. And we do that again. Your promises never fail. Sorry, that one. So we finish there. And then it goes into the little instrumental bit. And we basically just go up one fret. Oh, sorry, one string. Here. And we just hold that. So I definitely have a lot of delay on here and a lot of reverb, make that really ring out. There is, if you have another guitarist, you can do the 1, 2, 3, 4. That's just another line that goes over the top of that ringing into the bridge. So then we go to the bridge, and it's very similar to the chorus, where you're doing these kind of single note octave lines, but we just hold the start a bit more. So it'll be like that. And then we go to the instrumental. Yes, instrumental. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and back into the chorus. down there. It's pretty much the whole song. So yeah, just remember nice big sounds. Use your pedal board wisely, and yeah, those octaves are really cool. So that's about it. Thanks, guys.